Hey everyone, welcome to our series, Unlocking Heart Rate Training. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of heart rate and why it matters to all of us, especially seniors, nerds, and beginners. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, understanding your heart is key to getting fit. Did you know that your heart is like a personal drummer? Just like a drummer adjusts their beat to the music, your heart changes its rhythm based on your activities and emotions. This variability is known as heart rate variability, or HRV. And guess what? It's a good sign. More variability means your heart is adaptable and healthy. Now, let's talk about heart rate zone training. Imagine this. Your workout is a video game. You have different levels, each with its own target heart rate zone. When you understand your heart's zones, you can level up your fitness game. Think of it as staying in specific zones during your workout that help you burn fat, build endurance, or boost your overall health. In our next episode, we'll explore these heart rate zones in detail. Hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated. We'd love to hear about any topics you're particularly interested in, so we can create content that truly resonates with you. Your feedback helps us tailor the material to your needs and preferences.